Good afternoon students, again welcome back to my channel AgSAG So in this video we are going to discuss about today's IELTS test review. So today we had our IELTS test and it's the first test date of this month, that is 6 November 2021, real IELTS test complete review, and it's about morning slot. In some centers only they conducted the morning slot as per the COVID protocol. So here we will see about the sections in detail. So starting with the listening module, in part 1 they got fill up type of question and the word limit was one word and or a number. So it was a telephonic conversation related to inquiry about university accommodation. Okay, so this part was an easy one. Moving on to part 2, they got short MCQs along with map completion type of question, but they given the options for the map completion too. They just want to select the options, that's all. So it was related to introducing a residential area to a buyer by an agent. Then related to part 3, they got the questions like large MCQs along with matching type of question. They given the options along with the question and they want to cross accordingly. And this section was related to the discussion between students about marketing techniques. Okay, then in last part they got fill up type of question, that was one word only fill up. It was a simple one and the content was related to academic lecture about extinction of species. So that was the content. Then the part 3 and part 4 was little bit fast, that means regarding the audio it was little bit fast, but the overall the exam was in easy to moderate level. Okay, then regarding the reading module, in passage 1 the heading was bricks, the versatile building material. That was a repeated passage and we already published that in our reading challenge. Here you can see in day 32 we mentioned about this particular passage and it's available in our Facebook. So the question category was true, false, not given type of question, that was 1 to 5, and fill up type of question. So they got two type of fill up type of question: flowchart completion, that was up to 2 words, and a diagram completion, that was no more than 2 words and or a number. That was the word limit. So this passage was in moderate level. If you practice means definitely it was easy for you. So then regarding this passage to you, the heading was about tides potential for future electricity. It was a new passage and the question category was match the information type of question. That means which paragraph contain this information, like that they want to cross with the paragraph. Then fill up type of question, it was one word only, short summary completion from 20 to 23, and to the last part 24 to 27 it was MCQs along with 4 option. So this passage was a little bit tricky. Then regarding the last passage, ants could teach ants, so it was also a repeated passage and this one also we published in our Facebook page. I think it's on day 20. Okay, so they got the questions like match the information that with the options in a box, and selection of letter type of question. They want to select 4 letters from the given list, and yes no not given type of question from 37 to 40. So overall we can just set it as easy to moderate level. It was not so tricky and all. So regarding the answers, I will publish as soon as possible. Then regarding the writing module, as we predicted, it was a pie chart and it was a easy pie chart. Here you can see the question. The graphs below show the viewership of different TV programs among 3 different age groups. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparison where relevant. So they just categorized it into 10 to 15, 16 to 20 and 21 to 25. 4 different TV program. So you can just divide your body paragraph based on the chart only. Okay, so I will publish the answers in my Facebook page and also in my community tab. So you can just check out from there. And regarding the task 2, as we predicted, it was an opinion type essay and the way of asking was to what extent do you agree or disagree. So here you can see the question. Students should pay their full university fees themselves as they benefit from having university studies and not the society as a whole. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here you need to be impartial. So here you can see the question exactly as we predicted. It's from our 6 November 2021 IELTS writing task 2 essay question list, the exact question. Okay, I hope you all attended well for that. So here as I mentioned, it's coming under to what extent type. You need to be impartial. That means you should agree that the students are benefited by these university studies. Along with that, you need to disagree that it's not benefiting the society. So you need to prove that it's benefiting both students and society. So you need to arrange your body paragraph accordingly. So So just pause the video and go through the model answer. Anyway, I will publish the task 1 and task 2 in my Facebook page. So stay tuned for the answers, and I will come out with the evening slot review too. Thank you.